Hello, Namaste, welcome back to Flora Plethora. I am Nikki Parihar. Couple of weeks back I had shared a video on how to plan a wonderful winter garden, and there were some really easy and important steps that we must check out before starting our winter gardens. If you haven't seen that video already, then I'll leave a link in the description box. Please do check that out. Now, one of the crucial steps is, of course, selecting the plants that we wish to bring this winters in our home gardens, and selecting the right seeds that we have to start sowing. So today we will discuss on the list of winter flower plants which are very easy to grow by seeds. Also, we will quickly touch upon the topic of right conditions, when to start sowing these seeds, what is the right soil mixture, what is the right method of sowing seeds, and what is the germination timelines, and things that we have to be careful about, all that stuff. So quickly we'll go through the list of all the winter flowering plants. Though there is a big list, we will cover the most common and most easy to grow ones. Alyssum, calendulas, antirrhinum or dog flower, dahlias for lovely large flowers, nasturtium, they will bloom even in partial shade, pretty phlox, nemesias, petunias, most favorite winter flowers, osteospermum or African daisies, cineraria, asters with their gorgeous colors, dianthus or sweet william, hollyhocks, larkspur, pansies, another one which will do fine in semi-shade, salvia, sweet peas, vibrant verbenas, the magical marigolds. Winter bulbs have higher rate of success. Gladiolus, tuberose or rajnigandha, ranunculus, in case you're wondering where to source all these winter flower seeds from, you can check out some online websites. These are really good sources to find branded seeds, and I would recommend to go for some branded seed because they have higher germination rate, and overall the disease resistance and the amount of blooming that we are expecting is higher with the branded seeds. Lot of online portals nowadays, from Amazon or Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nursery Live, Ugao, whichever you would like to prefer, they will have a lot of variety of range of seeds that is available. I got this one from Amazon. This is a box of 30 flowering plant seeds, and this is not just winter flowers. It's got a mix of winter flowers, summer flowers, and monsoon flowers. So I liked it because I would like to stay busy throughout the season. But if you're getting confused, you can also go straight and search for the winter flower seeds, and you will have a readily available one which will have only the winter flowering seed. It's also got a guide with it which shows you what is the right temperature and the germination timeline, etc. All those details of not just winter flowers but also winter vegetables. These are all the seed packets, the seeds I have received. So this is one of the pots which I have used to sow the poppy seeds, because that would require direct sowing and not the transplantation method. So use loose soil, and some contents might suggest you to press the soil well so that there are no air pockets, but I prefer keeping it loose because all the winter flower seeds are very small in size, and they're very timid, so they'll need free space to grow better roots and grow faster. So once you just drop in seeds like this, these are very small seeds, so avoid putting a very thick layer of soil over and above that. You can just mix the entire mixture and avoid overlapping of the seeds. Now you have to keep this in an area which is outside but is not receiving direct sun. What you could do is, I have covered this with newspaper so that there's no direct light or direct raindrops reaching there. So is this another pot with seeds, and this is an area where we usually keep 2 chairs, so I keep these pots underneath them so that afternoon sun is not directly reaching these pots. The bulbs are to be sown directly in the large pots or in the soil. Keep the tips outside. If we speak about the timing on when to sow which seed, you will have different content available online which might suggest you same seeds to be sown in month of August or September or October, or even late in the winters, November and December. But that basically depends on the area that we are living in. So the seed germination is a process, which requires a little warmth in the temperature, but also because we are sowing these winter seeds, once they start producing their shoot system, they cannot tolerate a lot of heat. So that's why we need a temperature range between 21 to 25 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for sowing the winter seeds. Now you can check out the area that you are living in, what is the maximum and minimum temperature going out these days, and then decide when do you sow the winter flower seeds. I take for an example the city that I live in. The highest temperature nowadays is 27-28 degrees Celsius, while the lowest is about 19 to 20 degrees Celsius, and the average of this highest and lowest is coming to be about 23 degrees Celsius. So it's the perfect time for me to start sowing all these winter seeds. Okay, so that was a quick list for all of you, and just select the seeds that you want to start sowing, and the germination would take somewhere between 3 days to 15 days. You don't have to worry much on that, just keep little patience, and hope you get great results. And me too, I will keep sharing updates on all the winter flowers and how they finally do during the winters. So stay connected. If you like this video and would also like to know what happens with all these seeds in future, do stay connected, like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.